In the next few months, the top earners won't be salespersons, programmers, or marketers. They'll be AI power users. AI isn't just for tech geek anymore. It's money-making machine if you know the right tools. In this video, I'll show you 5 free or affordable AI tools you can start using today to earn income online in 2025. No coding, no fancy skills, just smart tools that do the heavy lifting. Stick around because number 3 tool has the fastest earning potential and the number 5 could literally replace your day job. So without wasting time, let's dive into these tools. First up is ChatGPT. Think of it as your writing assistant, business partner, and idea machine all in one. People are already making money using ChatGPT to write blog posts, product descriptions, YouTube scripts, and even eBooks. For example, imagine you get a client on Fiverr asking for 1,000-word blog about fitness tips. Normally, that could take your 3 to 4 hours. With ChatGPT, you can get all structured draft in minutes. You polish it, deliver it, and get paid $30 to $50. Or you can create your own digital product like a budgeting ebook or meal planner, all written with ChatGPT, and sell it on Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. The key is not just copying and pasting, but adding your own style and polishing the content. That's what makes people come back. Let's talk about AI art tools like MidJourney and Leonardo AI. These tools can generate stunning artwork, logos, and design in just seconds. Here's where the money comes in. You can sell AI-generated art prints on Etsy, offer custom logo design service on Fiverr, or make YouTube thumbnails for creators. For example, some freelancers charge $10 to $30 per thumbnail, and they can create it in 10 minutes with AI. That means $100 a day. You can earn it also. The demand is growing because every online needs visuals. With AI, you don't have to be a professional designer to provide them. Third, and this is the big one, and this is the game changer, literally the game changer, and that is ElevenLabs. This tool lets you generate realistic human voices in multiple languages and tones. So how do you make money with it? Start a faceless YouTube channel. Write a script, add an AI voice, edit some stock footage, and you have a full video. Offer audiobook narration for self-published authors on platforms like ACX, or provide voiceover services for ads, explainer videos, and online courses. Let's understand with real example. Audiobook narrators often earn $50 to $100 per finished hour of audio. With ElevenLabs, you can produce those faster and at higher quality. If you ever thought, I don't like my voice or I don't want to record, this tool completely removes that barrier. Fourth is Canva, but not just the regular version. Canva now has AI-powered features like Magic Write and text-to-image. That means you can create digital products like planners, journals, resumes, or social media templates faster than ever. For example, a simple budgeting planner takes about an hour to design. Upload it on Etsy or Gumroad for $5 to $10. If 50 people buy it, that's the $250 from one product. And the best part is you only make it once and it keeps selling. Canva's AI also helps you generate social media content for businesses. Many small businesses pay $200 to $500 a month for someone to design their Instagram post. With Canva AI, you can handle multiple clients easily. This is one of the easiest way to start, even for complete beginners. If you are still watching the video, it means you are a genius and you are really want to earn the money with AI. And finally, tool number 5, and that is Opus Clip. This AI takes a long YouTube videos, podcasts, or webinars and automatically cuts it into short viral clips for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Why is this powerful? Because short form content is exploding. Every creator, coach, and business wants to be on TikTok and Reels, but most don't have time to edit. That's where you come in. Offer a repurposing service, charge $100 to $300 per month to turn someone's long videos into 10 to 20 short clips. With just 5 clients, you could make 1,000 plus in 1 month. And if you have more clients, you can earn $3,000 to $4,000 only in 1 month. And you can use it for your own channel. Repurposing long videos into shorts is one of the fastest ways to grow on the YouTube right now. So there you have it, 5 AI tools that can help you make money in 2025. Remember, these tools won't make you rich overnight, but if you pick one, learn it, and take consistent action, it can become a real income stream. As you know that this is AI era and more people are taking action before everyone else, and they want to earn more money with the help of AI. So, before it's too late, you have to take action. Which of these tools would you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you find this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Clever Coin for more smart money moves made simple. That's it from today. Have a nice day. Bye.